Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Wise account permanently or how to delete your Wise account. In order to do that, first you will have to open your Wise application in your mobile, log into your Wise application. Now you just have to tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner and then you have to tap on this settings. And when you are here, you just have to scroll down and you will find this option privacy and security. You just have to tap on this and then again you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this option close account. Just tap on it. Now you can read all of this information. For example, closing your account means that you cannot use your account details, you cannot view activities and transfer history, and you cannot use your debit card. If you are okay with that, tap on I'm okay with that, and now you will have to inform why you are leaving. If there is problem with your transfers, select the first option. If you can't find the currency that you want to select, then second option. If you are not using your account anymore, if you have some other reason, select the fourth option. In this example, I'm going to tap on the third option. I'm going to tap on the third option, and then after you have done, tap on this close account, and now you can select this chat with an agent, like if you want to solve any problem, or you can go for this continue without closure. So I'm going for that, continue with account closure again, and after that tap on this close account, and as you can see your account is now closed. So that's it for this video. That's how you can close Wise account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.